Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shilisha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. You know that in previous class we have discussed chapter 8. Today I will provide you two creative question from chapter 8. So student, let's get started our class. Have a look on a board. Creative questions 1 and 2 chapter 8. Today we will discuss these two questions. Question 1, you will get these questions from your textbook. When Shukti and Kanto came to visit their uncle's place, their cousin noticed that Kanto's body was looking swelled. While Hema wanted to know the reason of swelling, Auntie told that Kanto was getting fatter though he was taking small quantity of food. Auntie also told that in last few days, Shukti's eyesight had become hazy at evening. Number 1 question, how many elements are there in food? B, write what is the loss of body strength. C, explain how is the physical condition of Kanto in the given information. D, ignorance in which sector did cause the physical condition of Kanto and Shukti. Write your thinking about this. Now, question 1, how many elements are there in food? We know that there are 6 elements in food. Number 2, write what is the loss of body strength. B, answer, our body is losing strength. To repair this loss, body needs nutritious food that helps to rebuild the cells. In this way, food repairs the loss. Number C, explain how is the physical condition of Kanto in the given information. Answer, in the passage, Hema noticed that Kanto's body is looking swelled. Though Kanto is taking small quantity of food, it is rich in calories for more than the need of the body. Kanto is getting fatter day by day because the nutrition conditions of body is not normal and he does not do physical labor. Number D, ignorance in which sector did cause the physical condition of Kanto and Shukti. Write your thinking about this. Answer, I think the lack of knowledge about food elements is responsible for the physical condition of Shukti and Kanto. Kanto is getting fatter though he is lacking a small quantity amount of food. On the other hand, Shukti's eyesight becomes hazy in the evening. Some food elements are responsible for the increase in weight. Kanto has to avoid these types of food. Shukti's eyesight becomes hazy in the evening due to lack of vitamins. So, all their problems are occurring due to the lack of knowledge regarding food elements. Now, come to the question number 2. Look at the following pictures and answer the questions. Student, there are given 2 pictures for you. This picture is about they are eating in an hygienic environment and they are eating in an is a hygienic environment. So number A, what is nutrition, and B, what is the relation between food and nutrition? Explain. C, explain the advantages of having food in picture 2. And D, as picture 1, what are the long term problems that can arise according to the vicious circle if one takes food in that environment? Explain clearly. Now, answer 1, what is nutrition? A, answer, nutrition is a physical process. B, what is the relation between food and nutrition? Explain. Number B, there is a close relation between taking food and nutrition. Just after taking food, it starts working to supply nutrition. If body is taken according to the need of the body, then body gets energy to do work. Number C, explain the advantages of having food in picture 2. Answer, in the picture 2, the place of taking food is very clean and hygienic. In this type of cleanliness is maintained. The risk of getting infected with germs and becoming sick is decreased. As a result, we can keep away various kinds of infectious diseases. For maintaining health, it is essential to take nutritious food in the hygienic environment, which can be seen in the picture 2. Now, D, as picture 1, what are the long term problems that can arise according to the vicious circle if someone takes food in that environment? Explain clearly. Picture 1. D. In the picture 1, it is seen that a family is taking food in an unhygienic environment. There is a close relation between nutrition and cleanliness. From the table below, it can be seen that eating and cooking in an unclean environment can cause sickness and loss of nutrition. First, cooking and eating in an unhygienic environment. What will happen after eating in this environment? Food infected with germs, then taking infected food, body becomes sick and nutrition is not ensured. According to the awful circle, food becomes contaminated if it is taken in an unhygienic environment. As a result, the chance of becoming sick increases. This thing keeps rotating as circle. Thus, a long-term problem arises. So, student, this is our today's topic. Hope you have understood today's topics. Our today's homework will be topic CBQ, that means creative question 1 and D of creative question 1, and you have to write this question on your copy and submit it next Saturday, and homework number 11. So student, dear student, stay well and keep practicing at home. That's all for today.